Hello cupcakes and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing this second degree sunburn. Let's get into the video. Starting off with a red eyeshadow, I'm just going to take that all over my face. I'm just going to continue layering this on, but I do go around the sunglasses. I want to be able to take them off and show the sunburn around them. I think that looks pretty fun. The reason that I'm layering the red color is because I don't want the color to be 100% red. I do want it to be a little bit of pink. So by layering it, I get to pick the intensity that I want it. At first, it's going to be very light, and then I do a second layer and then a third layer. And that's going to be on my face, my neck, chest, and my shoulders. If you do plan on wearing sunglasses like I did, make sure to take them off because I definitely thought the red was a lot darker when I was wearing the sunglasses. I'm concentrating the red shadow in certain areas where I'm going to be laying the 3D gel down just so it has a bright red base to go on top of. Using this Mehron 3D gel, I just pop it in the microwave without the lid on it for 10 seconds and heat it up in 10-second increments. You're going to want to feel it on the back of your hand because this product can get very hot and it can burn you. I'm squeezing the gel right out of the tube onto my skin. I'm just laying down a base so that later on I can use a spatula and make bubbles on top of it, and then the bubbles have something to stick to. With my finger, I'm just tapping out that base so that when it starts stretching out further, it actually starts blending in with my skin and it's not just a straight hard line. To make the bubbles on top of the gel, what I did is I took a spatula and then I dipped it into the 3D gel bottle and then scooped some out and then put a little bit on my forehead and spun it around to get all of the strings and everything just to stick to it. Tilted my head and then would fan it just to get it to dry. I tried to lay my head in a way that was parallel to the ceiling. That way the 3D gel is not going to drip down. Drips are not going to look realistic, so you do want to try to make these look like bubbles. And I'm just going to repeat that in all the areas that I laid down that dark red color. So just to go back over, take with the spatula and you dip it in the 3D gel, get a big glob out, and then, put it in that area that you want and rotate the spatula around to create that circular bubble, and then fan it forever. I'll be using this yellow cream paint to paint over the bubbles on top. I tried to use body paint, but I didn't like how it looked. It looked like it was sitting on top of the skin, but with the cream paints, you're able to get a little bit of transparency, so it looks a little bit more realistic, I think. So I'm just coating that over top of the biggest bubbles. Just to make it look a bit more irritated, I took some more of that red eyeshadow and I'm just blotting around where we're having the 2nd degree burn. And that's the completed look. Fun, easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.